Are you ready to learn the alphabet? I bet you are. Let's dive into the magical world of letters. We'll start at the very beginning, and don't worry, I'll guide you all the way. So say it with me: A as in apple, B as in ball, C as in cat, D as in dog, and E as in elephant. Isn't this exciting? Remember, you can always repeat after me if you want to practice. Great job, you just learned your first 5 letters. Moving on, are you excited to discover more letters? Let's dive right in. Our next letter is F. Can you say F? Fantastic. Now let's move on to G. Repeat after me, G. Great job. Next up is A. Try it out. How wonderful. I is our next letter. Let's hear you say I. Incredible. Now let's try J. Can you say J? Just perfect. Next we have K. Say it with me, K. Keep going. L is up next. Let's hear L. Lovely. M is our next letter. Can you say Marvelous. Now we have N. Repeat after me and nicely done. And last for now, we have O. Try it out. Oh, outstanding. Well done. You've now learned up to the letter O. Keep it up. Are you still with me? We have a few more letters to go. Let's plunge into the pool of P. Can you say P? Perfect. Now quick as a queen, we're moving to Q. Repeat after me, Q. Remarkable. Here comes the royal R. Say it loud, R. Super. S is sliding in next. Can you say S? Splendid. Now let's take a trip with T. Repeat after me, T. Terrific. Here comes U, like an umbrella. Say U. Unbelievable. Now V is vrooming in. Can you say V? Very good. W is whirling in next. Repeat after me, W. Wonderful. Now let's explore X. Say X. Excellent. Y is yodeling your way. Can you say Y? Yes, you can. And finally, Z is zigzagging in. Say Z. Zesty. Congratulations. You've just learned all the letters of the alphabet. Now, do you remember all the letters we've learned today? Let's go over them one more time. From A for apple to Z for zebra, each letter has its own unique sound and shape. Can you say them all with me? That's it. From A to Z, you've got them all. Fantastic work, everyone. You've done an excellent job learning the alphabet today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.